Hey guys, it's Ella here, and this week's theme is Spring Has Sprung, and I'm outside right now, and it is definitely spring. It's actually summer here. I'm just wearing a pair of shorts and an ugly t-shirt that I really don't like, and I'm kind of sick. I have a stuffy nose. Let's go up in this playpen. Yeah, there's this blue thing because it keeps on like going everywhere. And then my shoes that I'm definitely going to be throwing away. What happened to those? Yeah. I'm a horrible person if you give me something to take care of. Stalk on our neighbors. Stalking, okay. I'm actually not. Ew, what is that? That's like creepy. Can you guys see that? That's creepy. I didn't want to show you that. That is creepy. Anyways, I'm in this winter outfit because I'm like a total opposite of, like, in winter I'll be wearing like a pair of shorts. Yeah, I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about Ella. Yeah. I am talking proper grammar. Cool people don't say it like that. Yeah, it was a little bit weird. But anyways, we just wanted to say hi, and spring is really springy, and I'm probably going to take pics at the end of the vid. So watch out for those. And there's a girl screaming because she saw me. Yeah, I don't even know who that is. It's a little girl. On the street by herself. All those cars, kind of dumb. Okay, but yeah, I just sort of wanted to tell you. And I'm using my new camera right now. It's a Sony Vlog, and I'm in love with it, and it focuses really well. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you that thank you for watching. Let's stalk some more. Oh, also, I made a collab audition video. Please, 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 please join. We really more biking girls. Okay, so she is with people. Anyways, please, please, please join. We really need a Monday and Friday, and I hope that we can get better, like how we were at the beginning when everyone made their video. Please, everyone make their video this week. I know Sunday didn't make our video yet, but please, Sunday, if you're watching this, please make it right now, because it will mean a lot. And if we do get everyone to make our video this week, that'd just be like amazing. So bye guys, and please audition. Also, keep up for the series that might come out anytime soon, like the series on my channel, Blood Sister. It's a really good series, and I hope you'll like it. Bye!
I let it fall.